Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Nur Saida binti Asmuri. Today I will discuss about my thesis, a mixed model of discounted cash flow and Llama operator for strategic valuation process. Right, for the first is strategic valuation. There is a three strategic valuation process. First is the cost approach. Second is market approach, and third is discounted cash flow. Alright, so I'm using the discounted cash flow intrinsic value approach. Alright, my problem statement is the classic DCF model does not include the uncertainty that may be inherent in the parameter used in that model. Alright, the accuracy of the valuation calculated by using DCF method is highly dependent on the quality of the assumptions such as free cash flow, terminal value, and also discount rate. In a realistic situation, estimation is always biased. For an instance, Schiller 1981 using the DCF model to derive upper and lower bound of fluctuation of the stock price. But the empirical result show the real stock price beyond the scope. Alright, then the DCF cannot read human behavior. It does not have the linguistic information and only have a quantitative data. There is some situation where the data may not quantify due to its nature, and hence it may simply state that its linguistic term. Alright, my objective for this thesis is to propose an integrated model of DCF and Llama for strategic valuation process. Second is to test the efficiency of the developed DCF model compared to the classical DCF model. Alright, then literature review, Marshall 1976 have made the future progress toward the general use of the DCF methodology in the evaluation of property investment. The model presents two specific characteristics that are a static projection of the former's future cash flow and the use of a risk-adjusted discount rate that involves the concept of the capital opportunity cost. Due to subsequent enhancement, DCF has long been a prominent method in the property appraisal within the so-called revenue approach.
Next, Brigger 1992, Sharp, Alexander, and Bailey 1999. The classic DCF model researcher defined a common way to describe the expression of its present value. Research on how stock market value companies since the stock is financial asset that dividend paying is the primary source of a cash flow that has been fully approved by the DCF. The DCF approach has been used in the study of real estate theory and practice. The research acknowledged that several revolutionary studies in the division of real estate investment valuation paved the way to widespread DCF estimate.
Next, Jinxing, Miaosheng, and Hui 2005, they developed the classical discounted cash flow model to the fuzzy logic system and become fuzzy discounted cash flow model. They say the model is more effective tool to deal with the risk and also uncertainty to a valuation model. It also takes into the account VAC cash flow, growth rate, and the discount rate to address the more realistic evaluation template. Then, the fuzzy theory achieves a more rational numerical example on valuation. My methodology, where is DCF model formula, where V note is value of the stock in period T equal to 0, K is discount rate, CFT is the cash flow, and N is the number of the year. The linguistic variable, it includes more than one term in the mathematical representation of the semantic concept. It also a variable of a higher order than the fuzzy variable. It also takes the fuzzy variable as its value. The character of the variable is x, tx, m, and u, where x is variable name, ts is the term of the set, and m is a semantic rule connected with each variable. Then we will use the two-tuple variable. Okay, this is the formula of two-tuple variable. And next is we using the OVA operator as the OVA operator that extends to the Llama. So we use the Llama operator as an qualitative information. Right, the methodology is the first, we take the relevant and accepted risk analysis, which is usually the balance of WACC. And then we began with a report that considers every potential element of those that we presume to have identified different in the period identified in the study, to be the starting point in the decision-making process between the parties taking over the phase. In the following example, an analysis period of 3 years was defined and the next interest rate interval were considered. Okay, this is our year 1, year 2, and the year 2. Next example is to construct Okay, we take the 10 experts, express their valuation of the range using the following linguistic set. So this is the set. Instead was obtained representative value for each interval. Okay, we take all this and collection of opinion expressed by the various experts by majority vote. Okay, the remaining period will calculate using the same process. The aggregate opinion of the expert are as follow: the future rate of year 2 and the year 3. Okay, first we take a year 1 and then year 2 and then year. Next steps, we specify how to set the value of agreement for the buyer and the seller in respect of possible free cash flow. The initial entry of the CFL has been calculated first. Interval determined by the buyer and the seller, and this is the following potential range: 4,000, 6, then year 2 is 3, 6,000, and then next is the linguistic value for the free cash flow, the customer and the seller. To avoid repeating the calculation process, only the corresponding operation for the buyer carry out during the first period. So we take the buyer only, and then customer. Summary of the equation, range of the interval, and also the comparative result. So in conclusion, discounted cash flow is the most method that convenient to calculate the valuation of the company. And also having majority OVA, that is we use in this case is the llama, is better because it focuses on the subjective view of the market agent and offer a better opportunity to achieve a consensus value or balance and minimizing discussion time. This family of linguistic operators summarized to allow for a closed rule that encourage to achieve of an agreement of equilibrium of the price of the market. That's all from me. Thank you.